Welcome back to Cars World, the place where speed, style, and innovation collide. Today, we're diving deep into the stunning 2025 Lamborghini Urus, a masterpiece that redefines the luxury SUV experience, LQRE. New here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's jump right in. The 2025 Lamborghini Urus immediately commands attention with its bold and aggressive design. At first glance, the sharp lines and muscular stance showcase a pure Lamborghini DNA, sculpted to perfection. The new front fascia features even sharper angles, an enlarged air intake, and sleeker LED headlights, giving it an even fiercer look. Every contour and crease has been carefully engineered to enhance both performance and aerodynamics. The signature Y-shaped elements are more prominent now, seen clearly in the front grille and the daytime running lights. The side profile remains unmistakable, with strong character lines slicing across the body and massive, flared wheel arches that house up to 23-inch alloy wheels. The roofline swoops dramatically towards the rear, blending coupe-like elegance with SUV practicality. The frameless doors add a touch of Italian sophistication, making the Urus appear as if it's in motion even when standing still. Moving to the rear, the 2025 Urus boasts an even more aggressive diffuser and quad exhaust setup. The redesigned taillights, inspired by the Lamborghini Revuelto, stretch across the rear, creating a futuristic and wide stance. A subtle yet functional roof spoiler not only enhances the sporty appearance but also improves high-speed stability. The lower bumper has been completely reimagined with carbon fiber accents that scream performance. Overall, Lamborghini has managed to evolve the Urus's design without losing its raw, primal essence. Under the sculpted hood, the 2025 Urus houses a revamped 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. Thanks to lightweight materials and updated tuning, the power output now exceeds 700 horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, pushing the limits of what an SUV can achieve. Aerodynamic improvements to the bodywork allow it to slice through the air with minimal drag. The adaptive air suspension and active aerodynamics adjust in real time, offering a balance between razor-sharp handling and luxurious ride comfort. Massive carbon ceramic brakes ensure it stops as quickly as it accelerates, maintaining full control at high speeds. The Urus first shook the world in 2018, combining the raging spirit of Lamborghini supercars with SUV versatility. It broke new ground by becoming one of the fastest and most powerful SUVs ever made. Now, in 2025, Lamborghini has refined that original formula, enhancing performance, efficiency, and styling while keeping its rebellious soul intact. The Urus has played a pivotal role in Lamborghini's success, bringing the brand to a broader audience without sacrificing its core values. On the outside, the 2025 Urus is loaded with state-of-the-art features. Matrix LED headlights provide crystal clear vision while adapting intelligently to driving conditions. Optional carbon fiber body kits and custom paint colors allow owners to truly personalize their vehicles. Aerodynamic side skirts, performance-enhanced spoilers, and lightweight alloys contribute not only to looks but also to real-world speed and agility. The exterior is as much about function as it is about form, with every vent, line, and curve serving a purpose. That wraps up our deep dive into the breathtaking exterior of the 2025 Lamborghini Urus. Let us know in the comments what you think about this new evolution of the ultimate luxury SUV. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cars World for more automotive passion. Until next time, keep dreaming big and driving fast. Would you also like a second, slightly more dramatic version depending on the vibe you want for the channel?